Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. In part 2, we're diving into the advantages, disadvantages, and maintenance considerations for both petrol and diesel engines. Hit that subscribe button, rev up your interest, and let's continue this empowering journey through the variances that define our vehicle's performance. Petrol engine emissions and environmental impact. Petrol engines produce lower levels of nitrogen oxides and particulate matter compared to diesel engines. However, they emit higher levels of carbon dioxide due to their lower fuel efficiency. The production and combustion of petrol also release volatile organic compounds and other hydrocarbons, contributing to air pollution. While catalytic converters and cleaner fuel formulations have helped reduce some of these emissions, petrol engines still have a significant impact on air quality and global warming. Diesel engine emissions and environmental impact. Diesel engines are known for their higher nitrogen oxide and particulate matter emissions. These fine particles can have adverse effects on human health and contribute to air pollution. Additionally, diesel engines produce lower levels of carbon dioxide compared to petrol engines, but their higher fuel efficiency means they cover more miles per gallon, ultimately resulting in higher overall carbon emissions. Despite technological advancements such as diesel particulate filters and selective catalytic reduction systems, diesel engines continue to have a substantial environmental impact. So, both petrol and diesel engines have unique emissions and environmental impacts. Understanding these differences is essential in addressing air quality and climate change challenges. Maintenance and longevity. When it comes to maintenance and longevity, both petrol and diesel engines have unique characteristics that can impact their performance and lifespan. Let's delve into the details of maintenance practices and the longevity of both types of engines. Petrol engine maintenance and longevity. Petrol engines generally require regular maintenance to ensure optimal performance and longevity. It's essential to adhere to the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule, including oil and filter changes, spark plug replacements, and periodic inspections of the ignition system. Regular tune-ups are crucial for sustaining the efficiency and durability of a petrol engine. Moreover, using high-quality clean fuel and adhering to proper driving habits can contribute to the longevity of a petrol engine. Diesel engine maintenance and longevity. Diesel engines are known for their robustness and longevity, largely due to their sturdy design and high compression ratios. However, proper maintenance is still vital for maximizing their lifespan. Routine maintenance tasks for diesel engines often include changing the fuel filter, inspecting the glow plugs, and ensuring regular oil and coolant checks. Additionally, maintaining clean and high-quality diesel fuel, along with periodic injector and pump servicing, is essential for preserving the durability and efficiency of a diesel engine. In summary, both petrol and diesel engines require regular maintenance to ensure longevity and reliable performance. By following recommended maintenance practices and using high-quality components and fuel, drivers can significantly extend the lifespan of their engines, regardless of fuel type. Cost considerations. When deciding between a petrol and diesel engine, cost considerations play a crucial role. Understanding the initial cost and running costs of each engine type can help in making a well-informed decision. Initial cost. The initial cost of purchasing a diesel vehicle is typically higher than that of a petrol vehicle. This is due to the complex engineering required for diesel engines, which often leads to a higher price tag at the dealership. However, it's essential to consider the long-term financial benefits that may offset this initial investment. Running costs. When it comes to running costs, diesel engines have the advantage of being more fuel efficient than petrol engines. This means that despite the higher upfront cost, diesel vehicles can often save money in the long run due to their lower fuel consumption. Additionally, diesel fuel prices may vary, so it's important to consider the current and projected future costs. Factors such as maintenance, insurance, and potential resale value also contribute to the overall running costs, and these should be factored in when determining the most cost-effective option for your specific needs. Understanding both the initial and running costs of petrol and diesel engines can help in making a financially sound decision when purchasing a vehicle. Application and suitability. When it comes to the application and suitability of petrol and diesel engines, understanding their differences is crucial for making the right choice in various scenarios. Both petrol and diesel engines have distinct characteristics that make them suitable for specific applications. Petrol engine applications and suitability. Petrol engines, also known as gasoline engines, are commonly found in smaller vehicles such as sedans, hatchbacks, and some SUVs. Their relatively lighter weight and higher revving capability make them ideal for powering vehicles designed for city driving and short to medium distance travel. Due to their quick acceleration and responsive nature, petrol engines are often preferred in sports cars and performance vehicles. Additionally, the smoother and quieter operation of petrol engines enhances the driving experience in urban environments where noise pollution is a concern. Diesel engine applications and suitability. On the other hand, diesel engines are renowned for their robust torque delivery and fuel efficiency. These attributes make them well suited for heavy-duty applications, including commercial trucks, buses, and industrial machinery. The high compression ratios in diesel engines result in better fuel economy, making them the preferred choice for long-haul transportation and heavy load-carrying vehicles. Furthermore, their durability and ability to operate efficiently under high loads make diesel engines the prime choice for applications requiring sustained power output over extended periods. Understanding the specific applications and suitability of petrol and diesel engines allows for informed decision-making when selecting the most appropriate powertrain for different vehicles and operational requirements. Conclusion. In conclusion, understanding the difference between petrol and diesel engines is crucial for every vehicle owner. While petrol engines are known for their quicker acceleration and smoother performance, diesel engines offer better fuel efficiency and towing power. Both types of engines have their own set of advantages and disadvantages, and the choice between the two ultimately depends on individual needs and preferences. By grasping the distinct characteristics of petrol and diesel engines, you can make informed decisions when purchasing a vehicle or seeking maintenance. Whether you opt for the refined performance of a petrol engine or the robust efficiency of a diesel engine, this knowledge will help you navigate the world of automotive technology with confidence. As we conclude our two-part series on petrol versus diesel engines, we hope the detailed insights into advantages, disadvantages, and maintenance considerations become valuable tools in your understanding of engine technology. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious about the engines that propel us forward. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.